Hello everyone, my name is R.S. Gurun from grade 6 𝐔𝐴 and I will be talking about photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is a complex process where light energy is converted into chemical energy. The light energy is captured by chlorophyll, the green pigment which is responsible for photosynthesis. Think as chlorophyll as a plant solar panel, absorbing solar energy and converting it into light energy is captured by chlorophyll, the green pigments in plants, which is responsible for photosynthesis. Think as chlorophyll as a plant's solar panel, absorbing sunlight and converting it into a usable form of energy. Next, it's carbon dioxide. Typically, this comes from the air. This gas enters from the tiny pores called stomata, found mainly on the underside of the leaves. Next is water. Typically, this comes from the roots, from the plant roots to the leaves. Water is crucial because it has the necessary hydrogen atoms for forming glucose and helps in the chemical reaction that form oxygen. In the chloroplasts, the light energy breaks down carbon dioxide and water to produce glucose and oxygen. In this way, photosynthesis provides the necessary energy and oxygen for the survival of all living organisms.